आप
मैं
डायरेक्टर है या मैं जो
हूँ।
पूछ रहा हूँ उसका जवाब दीजिए। ये कोर्ट है,
जी सर।
आपका राजस्थान का गांव नहीं है।
जी सर।
आप इस कंपनी में डायरेक्टर है या नहीं है?
हूँ।
है।
हाँ।
ये जो शिपिंग कंपनी है इसमें कितने शिप्स थे?
इसमें 5।
शिप का नाम बताइए।
अनंतपुर।
एमई अनंतपुर है कि खाली अनंतपुर है कि टीएसएस अनंतपुर है?
नहीं, उसके आगे कुछ है।
हाँ मुझे मालूम है। मेरे पास सब कुछ है, मैं मंगा के रखा हूँ। मैं खाली आपको देख रहा हूँ आप कितने सच बोल रहे हैं। आपको किसने ऑथराइज किया कोर्ट में आने के लिए? सोच समझ के जवाब दीजिए। आपने तो पूरा अकाउंट दिया ना, कंपनी लॉस में है। हु हैज गिवन द अथॉरिटी? अदरवाइज पुलिस पर्सन साथ दिया। आपका शिपिंग कंपनी था।
मैं उसमें काम करता था सर, डिफिंग
आप
कंपनी में।
डायरेक्टर है या मैं जो
हूँ।
पूछ रहा हूँ उसका जवाब दीजिए। ये कोर्ट है,
जी सर।
आपका राजस्थान का गांव नहीं है।
जी सर।
आप इस कंपनी में डायरेक्टर है या नहीं है?
हूँ।
है।
हाँ।
रिकॉर्ड थ्रू कोर्ट वेदर you are the director of this company or not? Answer. Yes, I am the director. ये जो शिपिंग कंपनी है इसमें कितने शिप्स थे?
इसमें 5।
5 शिप है।
हाँ।
यस, देयर आर 5 शिप्स इन द कंपनी। शिप का नाम बताइए।
अ, अनंतपुर।
फुल
अवध।
नाम बताइए। एमवी है कि टीएसएस है, क्या है? शिप का नाम बताइए फुल।
पूरा
यू
नाम
आर द शिपिंग लाइन ना? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ द वेसल्स आर देयर?
अनंतपुर।
आनंद,
अनंतपुर अवध।
अनंतपुर। इट
अवध।
इज एमवी और टीएसएस? व्हाट इज एमवी?
मालूम नहीं होगा।
एमवी अनंतपुर है कि खाली अनंतपुर है कि टीएसएस अनंतपुर है?
नहीं, उसके आगे कुछ है।
हाँ मुझे मालूम है। मेरे पास सब कुछ है, मैं मंगा के रखा हूँ। मैं खाली आपको देख रहा हूँ आप कितने सच बोल रहे हैं। और अनंतपुर के बाद बताइए।
अवध। भद्रा।
भद्रा। यस, नेक्स्ट।
प्रशांति।
प्रशांति।
और एक मंजूरी, मंजूरी करके।
हाँ,
मंजूरी।
मंजूरी।
मंजूरी। मंजूरी।
ये शिप अभी कहाँ पे है?
ये शायद रिटर्न कर दिया था मेरे को।
ये शिप अभी कहाँ पे है?
Well, these ships belong to. I'm sorry.
जानकारी नहीं है।
आई हैव नो नॉलेज विद रिगार्ड टू द शिप्स। आपको किसने ऑथराइज किया कोर्ट में आने के लिए? सोच समझ के जवाब दीजिए।
मेरे पास जो सम्मन आया था उसी की।
आपको किसने ऑथराइज किया कोर्ट में बोलने के लिए जब आप यू आर नॉट इन द कंपनी? जल्दी बोलिए। आपने तो पूरा अकाउंट दिया ना, कंपनी लॉस में है। हु हैज गिवन द अथॉरिटी? अदरवाइज पुलिस पर्सन साथ दिया।
पुलिस के डॉक्यूमेंट।
यू आर प्लेइंग विद द कोर्ट। अभी मैं टाइम दे रहा हूं।
मेरे पास सम्मन आया था तो मैं ऑफिस में गया था।
आपको ये कौन बोला है कि एफिडेविट देने के लिए आपका कंपनी लॉस में है? मैं एक बात पूछ रहा हूं, क्योंकि आप तो राजस्थान में हैं, आप कंपनी छोड़ दिए। आपको किसने बोला कंपनी लॉस में है, एफिडेविट दीजिए।
मैं कंपनी के ऑफिस में गया, वहाँ पे सुमित पात्रो और एक अभिजीत डे करके थे जिनको मैंने।
आई वेंट टू द ऑफिस, आई फाइंड वन पर्सन सुमित पात्रो एंड
अभिजीत डे करके थे।
अभिजीत दे वेर फाउंड इन द ऑफिस।
उनको मैं जब देखे गया था अभी उन्होंने मुझे बताया था।
दे हैव एडवाइज मी। उन लोग बोले फाइल करो।
हाँ, उन्होंने बोला
दे
था।
हैव एडवाइज मी टू फाइल दिस एफिडेविट। सुमित पात्रा और अभी वो कौन है?
वो शायद शेयर होल्डर थे पहले जब मैंने उनको।
सुमित पात्रा एंड क्या नाम? अभी दे आर द शेयर होल्डर्स ऑफ किसका? कंपनी का, डिफेंडेंट का?
हाँ, कंपनी के थे वो।
कंपनी का, दे आर द शेयर होल्डर्स ऑफ द कंपनी।
जब छोड़ा था तब उन्हीं को ही दिया था मैंने, वो बता के।
व्हेन आई लेफ्ट द कंपनी आई हैव गिवन द सेट कंपनी टू दिस 2 पर्संस। हाँ, अब वो कहाँ है वो दोनों लोग?
अभी मालूम नहीं है, मैं काफी टाइम से।
आप तो बोले अभी ऑफिस में थे।
नहीं, मैं ऑफिस में गया था, मेरे पास में वहाँ पे मैंने पूछा था, सुमित पात्रो करके एक आदमी था, उनसे पूछा था तो उन्होंने बोला कि ऐसे ऐसे करना।
हाँ, तो वही तो सुमित पात्रो का एड्रेस बताइए।
घर का एड्रेस तो नहीं मालूम है, वहीं ऑफिस का एड्रेस में होगा।
I don't know the address of Sumit Patro. I know the address of this Sumit office address of Sumit Patro. क्या ऑफिस एड्रेस बताइए।
जवाहरलाल नेहरू, चौरंगी मेंशन, ब्लॉक सी।
तो आप मानते हैं कि एफिडेविट आपका अपना पर्सनल नॉलेज का नहीं है? क्योंकि आपको सुमित आपका पर्सनल नॉलेज का नहीं है एफिडेविट।
नॉलेज में है थोड़ा सा,
आपका नॉलेज में है।
मैंने बस इसको पढ़ा है, पढ़ के।
जो एफिडेविट दिया आपका पर्सनल नॉलेज में बोल रहा, पर्सनल नॉलेज है। I have personal knowledge from the affidavit. So you are taking the liability of paying the amount. आप जो है लाइबिलिटी ले रहे हैं पेमेंट देने का.
कंपनी में जो होगा उसी से.
आप लाइबिलिटी ले रहे हैं या नहीं ले रहे, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. आपने एफिडेविट दिया ना अपना लिए, आपने लाइबिलिटी, यू आर टेकिंग लाइबिलिटी ऑफ पेइंग द अमाउंट.
मैं तो कहाँ से दूंगा, मेरे पास तो होगा नहीं.
Record, I am not in a position to pay the amount, so I am taking the custody.
Not sure.
I am taking the custody.
I will make necessary application.
Witness has come here, keeping the person who is having all the assets. From the evidence of this person, Mr. You are very senior persons of the bar.
May I only submit this minute? He has been authorized to file an affidavit of assets. He is before the court to be examined. He has been examined, minute. Whatever was in his knowledge, he has stated, minute. Now, minute before.
So why he not bringing the record? Who is the actual person, sir? Why he is suppressing the fact?
Minute, he is not suppressing the fact.
Why he is telling that Sumit Patra and other persons? Why he have not stated in the affidavit? I have been authorized by so and so file the affidavit. There are 5 ships. Where are the ships? If the shipping company is there,
he is not the most competent person to answer.
So why you have not stated that I am not the competent person?
He should have, because as I have learned that he has resigned. He has resigned and his resignation has not been accepted, in the sense it has not been submitted before the registrar of companies. So today he continues to be director, my lord. If now, my lord, whatever he had to say, he has stated, my lord. If my lord feels, my lord, that this the other 2 persons who have been named, if they have to be appear before the court with affidavit, they can appear.
He's not giving the address.
He says
he's not giving the total details. Let it
appears. He has said that
I don't know.
He does not have the residence address, my lord.
Why not? He is the company director.
Let him come back and tell, my lord, on the next day, because he today does not have the residence address with him. Now, if my lord directs, my lord, he can find out and come and assist the court. But assuming worse, if my lord considers that after examination, my lord, the judgment debtors are concealing their assets. The hearing has to be done on this issue, and then my lord will pass necessary orders. Today, he cannot be sent to.
I will send. You challenge it.
Hide and seek game going from 2022.
Please, this court, I am not on the procedure. I am on that. On the oath, he is making a false submission. That I am sending it to the from here. I am not on the procedure. I am sending it. He is suppressing the fact, and on oath he is making the submission before the court. On that aspect, I am sending him into custody. So henceforth, nobody shall come before the court to give false evidence. That purpose. I am not sending with regard to the execution. I am sending him for giving a false evidence on oath before the court, that too in the High Court. You know better than me with regard to the Evidence Act. What would be effect of the false evidence?
Absolutely, but my lord will kindly, my lord.
And you bring this in a person, you could have been guide the person, but you have bring this person. Knowing that he will give the false evidence.
I told him he has to appear in court. I had asked him to file an affidavit.
I am watching. He's taking the eyesight from your person. Sir, I was there in the bar for about 26, 27 years. How the witness is to be examined and how the witness is to be tackled when the witness is in the dock. I know. He was giving answer. His eye was there.
May I suggest this, my lord?
So who is giving the gesture to him give answer? I am not blaming the lawyer here, but I have to say in the open court with regard to the witness of what the witness has done in the open court.
May I only suggest this, my lord? If he can go back and find the address of these persons, and my lord can assist the court in that. Will kindly consider that he is an employee, my lord.
Not employee, is telling that I am director. He's not a shareholder. That I am director. He himself is a confused.
He is not a shareholder, not a single shareholder is in his name. Shares in his name, my lord. He was made a director, and then he, after a brief period, has resigned. To whatever is there in.
Why he has come here? You could
have been authorized.
Director. I have submitted.
So, may I only suggest this?
Why you submitted all this? The companies on laws. This is the law.
That's the balance sheet. There was direction.
What direction? That's why who has given the direction? He has. You should have been mentioned in the affidavit.
The court.
आप बोलेंगे आप किसके direction में दिया?
This court's direction to submit the balance sheets, my lord. So therefore he had submitted. But may I suggest this, my lord? Let him be examined fully, my lord, today, and my lord, he can come back and bring the information with regard to those principal officers, my lord, who has been just named, my lord. That's the best that this witness can do, my lord. This person can do, my lord. So my lord will kindly, and then if those persons don't appear, then my lord, law will take its own course. But this person, my lord, is perhaps will be too harsh on him to be, my lord, sent to prison, my lord.
That required.
To, my lord.
Sometimes it required. Harsh sometimes is required. Who is before the court on oath giving the false evidence. That
Perhaps not false, my lord. Whatever he knows, perhaps he has stated.
he intentionally he's telling that when he's not giving any answer when the question this court has put the question, all the thing has come.
The questions which are put before, my lord, perhaps
That's I am not telling to the advocates. When the court has put the question, all the truth has come. Who is the director? What are the ship? What are the business? All has come. Till date, there is nothing. There is no assets. Now the assets has come on record.
Kindly consider, my lord, he was an employee for a very brief period, my lord. And whatever he knows, he has stated, my lord.
Why are you taking the risk?
My lord, because there was an order, my lord, for him to appear, my lord. That's why he has come from, my lord, Rajasthan. My lord, kindly gives
On
him
the
an
last
opportunity.
occasion, you also caution him.
Yes, he came, my lord. So, my lord, may I only suggest this, my lord?
He appeared
he can-
virtually. Lordship's
No.
direction thereafter, he came.
Then he came.
He was
My
virtually.
lord, kindly, my lord, give him one opportunity, my lord.
That he file an affidavit stating that total the till date.
The
what is
whereabouts of
status
these
the
5
company,
vessels, my lord,
What is the company total status of the company? Who are the director? Who is running?
I shall,
give total by Tuesday.
choose.
File an affidavit on that.
Well, if Lordship takes Justice Shroff's order, there is another director, Navneet Jain. He may also.
That's why
Yes,
you are.
correct.
I'm telling you are accepted that affidavit. You have not raised any objection on that
No,
day.
that's true.
Then
That's true. He just written principal officer. That's why I thought he is a
My
director.
lord will give a
that's
week's
the very
time.
first question I put to him.
Yes, well,
But
in
he
my
has said-
first question, he said, I resigned on 2017. Lordship's question, he says, I am still a director.
Oh, there is a difference between resigning and being a director. Unless it's submitted before the ROC, he cannot be technically not a director. So he has
The
resigned.
judgment debtor is present in person. Full stop. The decree holder has started cross-examining the judgment debtor. Full stop. During the cross-examination, this court during the cross-examination of the judgment debtor, this court find that the judgment debtor is suppressing several things, and to hide the principal and the actual persons who are involved in the company, and also to suppress with regard to execution of the decree and making a false evidence before this court. During the evidence, it has come to know that there are other persons involved in the company who is running the business at present. It is also came to know that the company is having 5 ships, but that all the things has not been recorded, not been disclosed in the affidavit of assets filed by this witness, filed by the judgment debtor. In view of the above, the judgment debtor is given another chance to file an accurate affidavit of assets stating all the assets and the persons who are involved in the business of this company, of the judgment debtor company, by 30th July 2025. Please, by serving the copy to the learned counsel for the decree holder, let the matter appear on 31st of July under the heading orders.
I'm deeply obliged.
Can it be, my lord, a day before or after, my lord?
Then fix on 31st नहीं होगा.
Friday.
Then 30th July.
Not. Well, one thing I just want to point out regarding the ships. What happened in this case, the ships belong to Port Trust. They took all the ships, they used the ships, and
pay the higher charge.
not even 1 penny higher charge was paid, and that is the award holder, and we retained the ships.
Let
I-
all the things come.
Yes, just to assist your
All
lordship.
the
I
details,
said,
Mr.
lordship.
Please take care of
Let I
it.
sit with them.
Please take care of it. This is the High Court.
I'll try, my lord.
But one indulgence. Well, lordship said, well, the name he has given, so their name and their details should he bring.
The
Name
persons
and
involved.
details.
The persons in
That's Sumit Patra and Avijit Dev.
the persons involved in the business. Last me karo. The judgment debtor is directed. The witness is directed to furnish the total details of the personals involved in the present case, in the business of the judgment debtor company.
I am deeply obliged.
Very good.
Much.
Deeply obliged.